And thank you so much for watching my videos. Now we are getting down to the wire. A lot of kids are starting to graduate from high school and college, so I definitely want to do some DIYs for you guys. Now this is on a larger budget scale. Do not worry, I will be having some, if you're on a smaller budget, I'll definitely be having some DIYs for college gifts with that, using a smaller budget as well. Now this is my first DIY, so this is project number 1. I'll definitely be posting more projects as I continue on this building my college gifts journey. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this amazing money cake. I think it came out super duper cute. So I know this is on a larger scale. The person that is going to get this is graduating from college, but if you don't have as much money to spend, you can always use the same type of tools that I use to make this, but minimize your money's your dollars, and I'll show you guys how you can do that in the video as well. So we're going to go over step by step on how to make this money cake. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Coupons for Charity. I post all kinds of different pictures and content on there. And yeah, definitely check back. I'll be doing some more DIY graduation gift ideas. I think this came out really, really pretty. I hope she really likes it. And I also wanted to give a huge subby shout out to Lisa P. Thank you so much for these scarves. I got your letter in the mail and your package. It's not necessary, but it's so appreciated. You know how much I love scarves. I'm wearing one of the ones you sent me today. Thank you so much. I totally appreciate it. So let's go ahead and take a look at how you make this. And I'll show you guys step by step on how I make this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much. Let's get started.
Okay guys, so this is my first project for my graduation gift. I'm making a money cake. So a money cake is, this one's 3 layers. I have all my dollar bills right here. And all I'm doing is I'm using a pencil, and I'm making little rolls and I'm taping them together. And we're going to make a bunch of rolls of dollars first. And we're going to place it all around, and I'll show you guys how we do that next. My husband's going to help me. And then where I got the cake foam, I'm gonna have to cut this though. I got this at Michael's, and then these you can find at the Dollar Tree. So that's my second layer, and then this is going to be my third layer. So it kind of looks like a 3-layer cake, but instead of it being cake, it's going to be money. And then we're gonna layer this all the way around. I'll show you guys how I do that, and then I'm gonna put decor in the middle pieces. So hopefully, fingers crossed guys, it comes out really good. I think it's gonna be a really, really nice graduation gift. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this. I'm gonna finish rolling up my ones and I'll show you guys how we do it. Penny's here. Say hi, Penny. Say hi. Yeah. All right. So Daddy went to Home Depot. Daddy went to Home Depot. He went to Home Depot to get some glue so we can glue this around, some double stick tape, and he went to go get a screen door. So this is my project while he's gone. I'm gonna start rolling these up, and then he'll cut this for me, and then we'll continue on this process. Okay guys, so I am doing a project update. So let me go around to the other side. I still have all these to finish, but it's coming out pretty good. Don't worry, I'm going to fill the center. You'll see how it's gonna look, but I just wanted to show you guys midway through how it's looking. So yeah, long way to go, but still getting there. Guys, so I finished rolling all the bills. So this is the middle layer, and then in here is the top layer. No, the bottom layer. I'm sorry, the bottom layer. The top layer we're going to put $2 bills around because it's a lot of work. Okay, and then we have these stakes here that my husband cut to size. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. And we staked inside in the styrofoam these stakes, so everything is held in place so it doesn't move around. And now what we're going to do is we cut some strips of paper like so, and we're going to tape the strip of paper around, because when you use your double stick tape to start placing your dollars, the styrofoam, it doesn't stick to the styrofoam very well. So we've learned that through trial and error. So we're going to start taping this around, and then we'll continue. Now to place the paper, we're putting some rubber cement so we can glue this onto the cake. Guys, so my husband glued it, and so it's all placed. So now we're going to take the double stick tape and we're going to tape it around. And then we're going to start placing our dollar bills.
Ta-da!
Perfect. Now for the $2. Okay guys, now we are placing the $2 bills at the top of the cake.
Oh.
And my husband's messing up my decor, but I'll fix it. And then we get to start to decorate. I'm super excited for decoration. This is the hardest part, but then once you decorate it, you don't have to use so many dollar bills. This is for a college graduation, so we are making it a little bit bigger, but if you have less money, you can always do some decor in between of the bills. And I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to decorate it next. Okay guys, now the decorations begin. I have some black ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Her school colors are black and gold. She's graduating from Long Beach State. So I'm going to use this ribbon kind of as a, what do you call that? It's going around the side. Trim? Is that what it'd be called? I'm not very... One is going to hold the bills in place, so it's always good to have a trim. And two, I think it's going to look really nice. And then I have some gold ribbon that you guys have seen me haul from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to put in between. So let me show you guys what I'm going to do with this black ribbon. I'm going to put it around. And yeah, I'll show you guys in a second. The ribbon is on. It looks really, really good. Super excited. So I did get this. Congrats, 2019 graduate, you made it. This I got from the Dollar Tree. And what I left this stick here purposely to like kind of hold it, one, in place. Two, I have some Velcro right here that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to Velcro this to the bottom so it kind of stays. I also have this, if you guys saw my haul, I got this keychain. It's a 2019, so this is also going to hang from there as well. So, and then I have my ribbon, and I'm just going to use the gold pieces, and I'm going to start placing them around here. Now, I did buy confetti, and I have no idea what I did with it. I cannot find it, guys. So I'm on the hunt for that, but in the meantime, I'm going to start decorating and putting my final touches together. Okay, guys, just to give you an update, I am putting my string, I've been cutting them, because I don't want the silver, I just want the gold pieces from this ribbon. I actually have to get more because I'm going to put some here, and then I'll put some here. So I think I need 2 more of these because there's a lot of empty spaces, and I kind of want to find black, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to find this kind in black. We'll see. So I'm going to get gold, and then I'm going to glue gun some of the confetti if I can ever find it. If not, I'm going to Dollar Tree today, and I'm going to pick up some more of this, and I'll pick up some more of the confetti because honestly, looked everywhere. I have no idea. It took me 15 minutes to find the dog treats, and I had them in my hand. Yeah, it's been a really busy week. Anywho, back onto my project. So I'm going to go to Dollar Tree today and buy some more of this. And then I'm probably going to buy more of that glitter because I'm done. And then watch, the minute I buy it, I'm going to find it. Anywho, Maddie's in here. Say hi, Maddie. Glue gunning these. And I just have my glue gun and my glue sticks. The glue gun is actually from the 99-cent only store. I got it like a year ago. Glue sticks you can get at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm just gluing. I'm just placing hot glue, and then I'm just stuffing it down because trying to use my finger, I burnt myself. Yeah, did that. So I'm gonna put some more of this string in here to go over the pieces, and then I'm also gonna get some, you'll see my confetti decorations, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's complete. We're almost there. I think it's coming out super cute. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, so this is the completed money cake, and I think it came out super cute. So what I did was I glue gunned a bunch of ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I just glued it and I just stuffed it in. And then here are the little confetti, and these are from Dollar Tree. I had to go back and buy some because I don't know what I did with the other bag, but the confetti looks like this, and it's from Dollar Tree. And all I did was take out the gold pieces from there, and I put the congrats in the little graduation cap. At the top is a congrats graduate from the Dollar Tree, as well as this little keychain, and that is from the Dollar Tree. I just took a piece of string and I hot glue gunned some ribbon here, and these little sticks are from the Dollar Tree as well. And Maddie's half naked. I gotta fix her shirt. And then over here, I'm gonna take you to the back. I do have a stick back here, so I wanted to hide it, so I used the ribbon once again. And then this is what it looks like for the back. And then right here is where it's the ribbon is taped together. So I glue gunned these little strips that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just cut the little these things. I just cut these and I put them here so you don't really see the ribbon, where the tape is. And it says congrats there. And then it has those little confetti pieces all throughout it. And I hope she really, really likes it. I think it came out super duper cute. And like I said, guys, you don't have to do it like this many dollar bills. You can definitely use your regular bills and do a line and then put some of these along it. Now, I know this is a pricier graduation gift. This is a college graduation gift. I do have another DIY project I am working on, so I'll definitely be sharing that with you guys. It's really, really cute. So I'm gonna start on that today and hopefully have that video up soon. This was just a time-consuming project. Now, keep in mind when you do start this, it is going to take a little bit of time to get everything in order, but the presentation I think is beautiful. I did use the hot glue gun to glue a lot of like this yay and these things here, but I think overall it came out really, really good. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on what I did or how I made this, or just a question in general, go ahead and leave a comment and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. And if you like these videos, please remember to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. I hope you guys have a fabulous, blessed day, and I will be talking to you guys real soon. And do not worry, I am going to put some more inexpensive graduation gifts together, and those videos will be coming up real soon. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.